Hi friends, today we are going to draw a jellyfish. Let's see what are the material needed for this project. First we need a thick white drawing sheet, watercolor set, crayons or oil pastel, color mixing palette, a painting brush, and most importantly, the curiosity to learn. First, let's draw our jellyfish. First, you need to draw a curved line. It looks like a backward S. In similar way, you have to draw on the other side. If it is difficult for you, you can first draw using pencil. After that, you can draw using a crayons. Then draw the edges with another one curved line. Next, we have to draw the tentacles of jellyfish. Further, you have to draw a curved line. Nearby, you have to draw another one curved line attached to the bottom. Keep doing it all the way across the line. Some are small, some are bigger. You can draw as many as tentacles as you want, because jellyfish have more tentacles and very lengthy tentacles. Almost done. The last one. Yes, we're done with the tentacles now. Let's draw the eyes of our jellyfish. Keep in mind, we are drawing a cartoon jellyfish, not more realistic. So here in eyes, I am using the highlight on the top. That's our jellyfish eyes. Jellyfish lives in an ocean, so in the background we'll draw some waves. So the curved lines will represent the waves. Here I am using two types of waves. If you know some other type, you can use that too. Next, I draw some curly lines to represent the water. Then our jellyfish smile. Now let's paint the background. So here we are using blue color that will represent the like water. I am using blue and green combination to paint the background of the jellyfish. Do you know jellyfish don't have a brain? Even they don't have heart or either lungs. Interesting, right? But the amazing fact is, jellyfish can clone themselves. We'll draw the combination of blue and green for the background. You can add more water to lighten the color of blue and green as well. Okay, here I am using green color to paint inside the tentacles. You know, tentacles have a super long tentacles. Jellyfish have super long tentacles, but they never get tangled. Make sure you're not painting inside the tentacles, because we have to color another one color. Let's paint our jellyfish now. For jellyfish, I'm using yellow color. So you can use a yellow color. Here I'm using yellow color. You can use whatever the color you like. Actually, jellyfish have 6 eye cluster. Each contains 4 very simple eyes consisting of pigment filled pits to catch lights and a pair of complex lensed eyes. We almost done with the coloring. Yes, it's look good for now. I love the way it's look like. I'm looking forward to see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.